like the sincerity means, okay, so we pray for something, but what are we going to do now? What is our part in the whole equation? I pray for good Japa, but I continue to watch my meat bag sit on the table. I pray for service, and when the opportunity for service comes, I have something else to do. Or I pray for, I wish I could read Bible, or I wish I could hear, but I don't sit and hear.
Like when it's 108 beats, it's some significance in that. Like sometimes, like I'm chanting, and when I reach the end beat, I might chant the extra one or two. Like saying I probably didn't chant it properly. It's just some significance.
What is definitely said is you shouldn't chant at the big beat, but you try to compensate for
like
maybe a slip up in one or two, so let me just throw in a little extra there. I think we'll be better off using Burijan Prabhu's method of don't carry any load of what you may have missed. Just try to get positive in what you're going to continue, what you're doing now. Just be positive. I don't know if chanting extra is equivalent to going on the big beat.
No, you're going on the big beat, but
You just rev up 4 or 5 times on the last one. I could relate to what you're saying. I out of guilt, I did many funny things also. I could relate to that.
More runs to mind that, like you were saying, like sometimes out of guilt of chanting inattentive rounds, you chant more inattentive rounds.
Yeah.
It's like out of guilt of chanting inattentive mantras, you try to chant some more mantras.
I remember one devotee, he always kind of trying to chant back the mantra. The same mantra that he ain't getting it right, trying to, so there are many things you can do, but anyway, I would recommend that devotees read this book. As I said, again, I've read many books, right, on Japa, but maybe at a particular time in life or whatever, but this one really significantly made a difference. And it's something that I have observed, that this person, Burijan Das, it's the second time in my life that he made some significant impression. Around 1984, as a brahmachari, I lived in Vancouver, and I had to serve him. He came to teach the Gurukul teachers, do something with the Gurukul teachers. And I asked him a question, maybe a strange question you would ask, how to become humble. He gave an interesting reply. He said, chant the Hare Krishna mantra and hear the whole mantra and then chant a whole round like that, and then chant 16 rounds like that and see what is there to be proud of. Because you can't do it. So you'll see what is there for you to be proud of, right? He told me that in 1984, but that's not the point. The point is, I got a piece of material from him on the 3 modes of material nature. Now we had so many 3 modes of material nature everywhere. But this was related to Gurukul teachers. and giving good impression. The children are very impressionable. But his article was about brahmanas and the modes. I remember for years after holding on to that article or that material, and that made a significant impact on my mind. My understanding of the three modes and liberation of freedom means to be free from something. The mode has effect and influence, and it was quite significant, the impression that it formed on me. My first real, tangible experience of the effect of the modes, or what it means to be free from the modes. That was a strong impression. And when I read this book, the same thing that he had mentioned to me long ago about the mantra, I run into it again, repeatedly. He is making the same point repeatedly in his book. And I saw that there's something like he has some inner conviction about something, and he developed that. He wrote a book about, the technique, of doing it, and I thought that, So I saw that when it came to Japa, it made a significant change in my life also. So I thought it was interesting because that was my only exchange with him. He doesn't even remember me. I see him and pass him up and down all the time, everywhere, I never interact with him really, But that was my only, I served him, and I remember him, the first time he said, "You didn't wipe the table." You serve him prasadam, right? And you're supposed to come back and wipe the table. I didn't wipe the table. So, okay, anybody have anything else? So, I am saying that